Thank you for viewing our 1999 Beaver Monterey with the Redondo floor plan. It's got the luxury seats, motorized. We've replaced the uncomfortable couch with reclining love seat, and those are motorized. It's got lots of space in the kitchen. Solid state cabinetry. It's no veneer. Hardwood floors, kitchen and bathroom. Table that will seat 4. There's actually space here for another chair. The vacuum cleaner will stay with the unit. It works very nicely. Very nice refrigerator. Here we are in the bathroom. It's got a full-size shower. I'm kind of close for that, but the pictures will show it. And into the bedroom. One thing we do like is you can't see the bedroom from the living room. And there's lots of closet space. And if you need to see the engine, it's actually under this bed. It's a rear end, diesel pusher. Now I'm going by some drawers, and I'll show you into where the toilet is. And that is where the combo washer dryer, put dirty clothes in, 2 hours later, take clean clothes out. And there's lots of storage for towels, cleaning supplies, and whatnot. Thank you again.